again. Today we have a Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Yoga. The problem with the laptop, when you power on the laptop, it beeps that it doesn't remember date, time. Pretty much the CMOS battery doesn't hold a charge, so we have to open the laptop, check what's the type of the battery, and eventually try to replace it. So let's start. I think we have to remove just the back cover and we should be able to get access to the board, but we'll see now. Let me check for other screws, because sometimes they're hidden under some of the stickers. So let's try and open this. Yeah, like this. Now that's the battery. Let me remove it. This should be a regular 2016 battery. It's not rechargeable, so we have two options. The first one is to buy the same battery. You can order it. That's the model of the battery. I'm gonna write it in the comments, but since we don't have the same battery, we're gonna improvise. We're gonna use a regular 2016 battery, and we're gonna just use the old cables. Just gonna remove the cables from the battery. Let me find the battery and we'll continue. I got a brand new battery, just let me open it. Now the only thing we need is the cables. We're gonna bend them backwards. I think I have one or two videos. That's not the best solution. Of course, if you can order the same one, do so. But since I don't have it, we're gonna improvise. The battery should work fine, so you don't have to be worried. Now we're just gonna put this like this, and we're gonna use a little tape just to hold it for a while, and then we're gonna put a shrinking tube on it so it doesn't move. Like this. For now we're gonna use a shrink tube. We're gonna cut a piece, put the battery, and use some hot air to melt the tube. Like this. Just cut the rest. And plug it back. Now we're gonna use a little hot glue to hold the battery in place. The space is very tight, so pretty much the back cover should hold it, but just to be sure we're gonna use a drop. Like this. And now let's close the back cover. Just a basic video. If you don't have the original battery, you can use a regular one. Just reuse the cables and everything should be fine. Let's see, is there any battery in the laptop? No, the battery is dead. Let me pull the charger. We'll power on the laptop. We're gonna set the date. After that we're gonna power it off and check will there be a picture. Now powering on the laptop. Let's enter BIOS. Yeah, it says date is not correct. Let's go in BIOS. We're gonna go to date and we're gonna set and time. We're gonna save it. Now we're gonna remove the charger. We're gonna power off the laptop. Let's see, will it power on? No, it doesn't want to power on because the battery is dead. Let's try now. And the laptop starts fine without any beeps and alerts about the CMOS. Pretty much that's the whole video. Simple one. I hope you like it. That's it for now. Bye bye.